How to cook pumpkin spice cupcakes. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Healthy Hiccups. Today, we have something truly special for you. We'll be preparing the most popular pumpkin spice cupcakes. So let's get started. To cook pumpkin spice cupcakes, you will need the following ingredients. For the cupcakes, butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, self-raising flour, pumpkin spice mixture, milk, and pumpkin puree. For the frosting, unsalted butter, icing sugar, pumpkin spice mixture, and cream cheese. Here are the steps to make them. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Celsius fan, gas 4 and line a 12-hole muffin tin with cupcake cases. In a large bowl, beat the butter and sugar together with an electric whisk until light and fluffy. Gradually beat in the eggs and vanilla. Fold in the flour and pumpkin spice, followed by the milk, and combine until you have a smooth batter. Spoon the batter into the cupcake cases, filling them about 2/3 full. Bake for 12-15 minutes or until firm and golden. Cool in the tin for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. To make the frosting, beat the butter, icing sugar and pumpkin spice together with an electric whisk until smooth and pale. Add the cream cheese and whisk until thickened. Pipe or spread the frosting on top of the cooled cupcakes. Dust with extra pumpkin spice if desired. Some health tips for enjoying these cupcakes are: use low-fat or light cream cheese for the frosting to reduce calories and fat. Use whole wheat flour instead of self-raising flour to increase fiber and nutrients. Use brown sugar or maple syrup instead of white sugar to add more flavor and minerals. Add some chopped nuts or seeds to the batter for extra crunch and protein. Enjoy these cupcakes in moderation as part of a balanced diet. One cupcake is about 328 calories.